Hey Gems, so I finished eating and I want to show you the gift bag. So this is the gift bag my partner sent to me. We don't live in the same city. See how big it is. I love it and I'm thinking of framing this because this is so pretty. As you saw in the earlier videos in the morning when I was so surprised, she actually planned this with my sister, and this is so cool because this is like the second surprise they're planning for me. And I thought that if I get back early from work, I'll show you Gems what is inside. Sorry about the noise. Water is pumping, so bits of it drops on my roof occasionally. So it's this big. This week has been filled with surprises, good ones actually. First things first. Wine. I remember I posted on my Insta and my Twitter that I didn't have money to buy wine, so I was drinking orange juice, Capri Sun actually. And look at this wine. This is actually my partner's favorite wine. My favorite is Galarusa white wine, white sweet wine, which I actually gave her for our Valentine's, and so we kind of drank it together over video call. And surprisingly, this is exactly what I told her friend who is helping me deliver her gift to get for her. So hopefully she has my time because work has been really crazy busy for her. We can drink this tonight. Let me put that aside. Second thing in my big bag, incense. Oh my god, if you know me, I tweet a lot about incense, how much I love scents and candles, incense, everything. And this pack has all of my favorite scents. It has cinnamon, patchouli, I don't know how to pronounce it, please do not drag me. Jasmine, I love jasmine. Oh my god, cinnamon and jasmine. It has sandal, it has lavender. I love lavender. And it also has the aroma of vanilla. So this just makes me happy. And all this thing is, I was just complaining to her that my room, my missus smells incense and stuff like that. And then look at it, right? She gives me this. So I love how colorful it is. Alphabet Mafia. So let's move on to other thing. Is lingerie. Okay. So that is the wrap for this. For this, yeah. So someone is getting sexy videos tonight. I should probably wear this for our video wine drinking dates or something. So yeah, this comes together. I don't know if I should. Nah, I'm not modeling for y'all, Gems. No, I'm not showing you Gems. And bikini. So there's a bikini. So I have lingerie and I also have bikini, and this is these are see-through bikini shorts, and they come with this itsy bitsy. Let me move this aside. They come with this itsy bitsy. I cannot wait to rock this. So I have a really fat ass, so I'm looking forward for my fat ass hanging out of this. Oh my god, them go take. So basically that is pretty much it. I was supposed to tell you guys the story of how we met. Oh my god, yes. So basically I met her at a literary festival. I will not say which one or where, but we met at a literary festival. The first time I saw her, I was with a friend. We had something casual going on, and I remember I just saw her and I was like, wow. She was getting lali, right? Henna, yeah. She was getting henna done, and I was like, wow. Who is this tall, chocolatey, dark-skinned woman? Wow, okay. So I didn't say anything to her. I noticed her in one of the panels. I was working. Then the next day, which is actually today last year, was when we actually talked. I saw her and I was like, I have to say something to this woman. So I walked up to her and I talked about how I need to get photos of fashionable people for online scope. So she was like, okay. I was like, can I take a picture? And she said, yeah. So I took a picture of her and then I started flirting with her, blatantly flirting with her because so then we exchanged. We did we exchange numbers? I can't remember, but was it Twitter handles? I can't remember. Basically, today last year was so magical, so we decided to choose dad, because we're both romantic, decided to choose that as our like official like anniversary because we spent some time together. We just flowed. I just connected. I was so drawn to her. My friends who were there, I introduced her to like them. We spent some time together. Then late in the evening, I introduced her to my dad and my stepmom. So crazy. I was like, "This is my friend. I'm totally feeling her and everything." And so I needed to write, and then I asked her if I could come write at her place, and she's like, "Yeah, sure." So I told my parents like, I'm not gonna come home after the end of the festival. I was gonna go to her place to write, and they're like, oh, my dad was like, okay, cool. And so later that evening, at the end of the festival and everything, we just got talking, and she asked my age, and I said my age, and she's like, I don't date anyone below the age of 25, and I'm like, I have sense, so I have sense. And she's like, oh, okay. And I thought she was like 19, because when I said my age, she was like, she had this horrified expression, and I was like, oh my god, please do not be 19, because she looks young, yeah. And it's just like, oh, I hope she's not 19. I hope she's not 19. She's like, she's not 19. I was like, what? She's not 19 yet. And I was like, oh, okay, good. Then she was like, I don't date anyone below the age of 25. And I was like, I have sense. And so, but we had chemistry. We just kept chatting and everything. And then she was like, can I kiss you? And I was like, yeah, sure, kiss me. So right there at the art gallery, at the end of the most magical festival of my life, I look, at least in 2019, we kissed, and so we had chemistry, and I was like, okay, I'll come to your place tomorrow to write, and the rest is history, I guess. Like, I spent there, I hung out, I met her friend, who is actually planning me, shout out to you, Q, who's helping me plan her surprise, which I guess she'll probably get in the evening when she gets back from work or something. So, I know you're gonna watch this video, and I just want to let you know that I love you so much, and I'm so proud of you, and I'm proud of us, how far we've grown, really, and, I love you. I love you, love you, love you, love you so much. Thank you. Thank you for being in my life. I thank you for agreeing with me to make today the anniversary because we just lost track of time. Like the relationship just kicked off and everything. And yeah, I mean, being like a long distance relationship because we both did not want that. But you see, I guess when you just really, really love someone or you're really drawn to someone and you guys like bond and you guys build like something and you guys fall in love or whatever, just you just find interesting ways to make things work. So that is pretty much it. I just wanted to share my surprise like anniversary gift to y'all, and I hope Q would send me like a video of what he helped me package, and I'd love to get a video of a reaction, but I can't share that with you gems because privacy and ish. But I think I'm just gonna like wrap up the hair today. I'm gonna continue reading Bamboo Dean's A Little Bit of Love's Magic because I'm so interested because her ex-boyfriend has outed her out to her father. Anyway, whatever, I'm rambling about the book. I'm going to go back to reading that. I'm going to probably tidy up the room a bit, try on the lingerie, get some sexy videos. And yeah, disturb my partner at work because what's a girlfriend for? Right. Anyways, thank you, Gems, for watching the vlog so far. I don't know what else to say. I love you, Gems. Thank you so much for all your well wishes and your congratulations on my anniversary. It means a lot to me how supportive and wonderful the online community has been to me so far. I love all of you. Thank you for always taking time out to watch my videos, and bye. Bye, Gems.